Look at that. The sound, the colours, the sunlight. Good morning, fellow explorers. And you join me and Josh in the middle of the Ironbridge jungle. There's two words I bet you didn't think you'd ever hear in the same sentence. But we are in the middle of the brush in Shropshire Ironbridge. And we're on the hunt today to try and find a hidden waterfall. Some donkeys in the wild there. Although they're probably not in the wild, they're probably owned by somebody. But in the wild sounds better, doesn't it? And we just heard the sound of an animal. What did you call that animal, Josh? What did you say? The neck thing.
Neck thing. It looks like either ostrich or emu or something similar.
Okay. There's some ostriches or emus around here somewhere. Or neck things.
Long neck.
Oh yeah, long necks. There we go.
Long neck. Long legs. I told you I wasn't making it up.
Maybe anyone with some particular expertise on emus and ostriches can leave a description below on what you think those things are. I'll try and put the sound in on this video. You may have heard it just before. Another little part of our journey today in Ironbridge. Loam Hole Dingle. First time I've ever been here. Looks quite scenic and picturesque. You've been here before, haven't you, Josh?
Yep. I've got 2 videos on it.
Yeah, Josh has done a few videos here before. What a lovely, peaceful place. Brilliant. You know, there's something very special about hearing running water on a woodland walk. Here he is, George of the jungle.
Watch out for that tree.
Well, let's take my time here, I think. You want some footage, do you? Shall I pretend to fall? Oh no! Okay. Never know, I might actually really fall yet. Then we got to get on this tree now, have we?
Yeah, so if you're on the tree down there, it's there.
Okie dokie.
Oh, it's just like getting shots and things and stuff like that.
Okay.
It's down that drop there. And then up there.
Look at the colour of this though. That is incredible. Oh. Wow. Look at that. The sound, the colours, the sunlight. Could it get more perfect? Wow, that is so cool, that is. You would not expect to find that at all. What a beautiful hidden paradise this is. You can see the orange flecks in the stone there, can't you?
Yeah. Amazing place.
It's absolutely incredible, this place is. Wow, what a hidden gem. Look at there. Isn't this incredible? What's really beautiful to see as well is because you've got the sun shining up above, bleeding through the trees. If I just show you the rock face ahead of me, you can see the reflection of the water shining up on the underside of the rock there. An incredible location, the natural beauty. Okay then, that's us all finished at this hidden Shropshire paradise in Ironbridge. The hidden waterfall. Thank you to Josh for bringing me here. If it wasn't for Josh, I wouldn't have a clue where this place was. Yeah, I'll leave the link to Josh's channel in the description of this video. And yeah, what an absolute beautiful place. Hidden away in Ironbridge, Shropshire. I hope you guys have a lovely day. Fingers crossed this video's brightened it somewhat. And I'll see you in the next video.